This song's for love, a thing that's all around. This song's for love, we're singing it just because. This song's for love, because we'll always love. Yeah, we'll always love. Yeah. Singing songs now for you and me. Singing songs now for what we could be. Yeah. Singing songs, oh, we're singing songs. This song's for you when you're feeling blue. This song's for you, yeah, when all you can do. This song's for you. Be so true, yeah, be so true for you.
What do you think? Do you want to try a condenser for a sec?
I was like, I guess in terms of the sound, the guitars coming out. What are your thoughts?
It's a really big room for just a little guitar,
Yeah.
right? So it's working.
Yeah.
I mean, we can try a condenser.
No, I was really asking if you wanted to try to get some more gain, but it's your call. But
Yeah, let's try it, I guess, sure.
okay.
We're gonna try it with Mike.
Yeah.
I just want to see if
I could come back with a plug-in. I thought this was an idea. And
No, we'll try it
Yeah.
with Mike. I mean, it's not bad.
no, right? It'll come out how it comes out. I'm looking forward to it.
What are you throwing in instead?
SE7.
Oh, okay, sweet.
I think it's a 7. What is that? The one you prefer?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Something tight.
I do have a 20 dB pad as well I can put on it, or a filter. Don't think we need a pad though.
No.
Okay, so you get comfy and then
Yeah.
I'll put
Check 1, 2. Check 3, 4. The song's for you when you're feeling blue. This song's for you, yeah, all you can do. The song's for you, yes, be so true, yes, be so true for you. Ba 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 ba, songs for me, songs for me, all like me, yeah. Take me. Then the middle of the song is like a little kind of guitar solo. Sorry about it.
Alright, can you get that a little closer to the hole? Where I'm sitting, it looks like it's.
Oh, I see it.
What's that for sure?
That sounds great.
Yeah, that's crazy, eh? What is that, like 12?
Oh god, way out there.
The song's for love, things are love. Songs for love, singing it just because. This song's